unfortunately, we couldn't make a conducive situation, conducive environment to settle the cases out of the court. We talked about two issues. One, to establish a court, commercial court, and another is out of the court settlement. So everybody knows, I mean, I don't believe in sending people to the courts with business issues, because business is a regular issue, and that should be settled amicably, as he was also pointing regarding the Commission's inefficiency in settling the cases. But I think a slight disagreement with you is that the decision is also challengeable in the court, or if it is challenged, then that can be settled out of the court. So the Commission's decision is not the final one. We talked about the establishment of the commercial court. Yes, we have been given the responsibility of establishing a court. We are working on it. BIDA is also with us, and the UNGP and the European Union are helping us in realizing this arbitration commercial court. I hope that we will be able to frame the final draft in one month or so. I think that court will be established in Bangladesh, and then that court will be dealing with the commercial issues, and the remaining part regarding what he was saying, that the specialized people should be posted as the judges of that court. That remains with the law ministry and the Supreme Court. So the efficiency of that court will depend on the prudent decisions of the legal authorities of the country. But as far as we are concerned, I hope that we will be able to draft the law and put it for consultation of the stakeholders in 1 month or some days more than that.